We are already at 15%. I don't mind losing a little bit of money here. And if it doesn't rally up, then I'm gonna have to get out for a significant loss. The 4 hour didn't close great. Tried to take the long on a very safe place. The level was not respected in the slightest. I feel like I just failed just because of one day. This is incredibly difficult. I'm thinking about stopping this challenge. Okay, so the payout hit, I now have $1,330 because I spent $80 on gas, minus 90 for groceries too. So I have $1,240 right now. Tuesday here, Powell is speaking and the market is dropping. Now, I've entered long on a challenge here that I literally only need another $1,000 on the challenge. If this doesn't rally off of these zones, then that challenge is gonna get blown. And I am doing the same sort of thing, but with lower risk on the funded account. I again only need minimums. So we're gonna shoot for something that's somewhat of a minimum here to see if it rallies up. As well as the personal account is down currently $250 as we've been trying to buy up these zones and it's not bouncing for us. So we might have to close this out for a loss and just call it a day. But we are watching a little bit of the fundamental side of things as well. We want to have a little bit of a risk off approach right now since we're sitting so well into profit. The goal is 5% per month and we are already at 15%. So I don't mind losing a little bit of money here. So I am getting pretty nervous on this guy. If we look at the 4 hour and it looks like there might be another order for us down here that I like to just blindly buy and then hopefully we get some solid closes. So I'm going to buy one more. We're going to DCA on that level there. And if it doesn't rally up, then I'm going to have to get out for a significant loss. So the new combine has been blown, DCA'd too hard. I'm still in the funded account though, and I DCA'd a little bit off that level and it is rallying back up off the level. This is the sort of reaction we want to see. This is super high action right now. It is rallying off those lows and I'm just DCAing out as it comes back up for me to lower my risk. So now we're safe to watch this as it goes up or down because I can add to it if it goes down again, for another dip, and I can get out if it rallies up. I'm going to let that just sit for a while and see how this 4 hour closes because 4 hour closes are really important to know the sentiment for what's going to happen for the rest of the day. The 4 hour didn't close great. It closed below here. We didn't rally up super hard. So I closed out majority of that position. We are sitting at a negative 170 today. I will leave this one to go because it's still a decent entry here. We're at negative 180 for the personal account. Overall, I'd be happy with that day despite losing money. It really does not matter because most days we do win, and we'll see how things pan out tomorrow when things are a little bit cleaner action. Right, okay, so I found some mushrooms in the bush. That's gonna help me survive a little bit more. That is the last of some smoked beef that I had in the freezer. Some frozen veggies mixed with those mushrooms I found. Today, totals, 1,100 sitting on the prop account after losing 200. 11,200 on the personal account after losing 100 today. I spent a $50 for a reset for the challenge I blew yesterday on that massive dump. And I spent $40 on groceries. So the cash on hand, 1150 cash remaining as we're approaching near the end of the month here, which leaves us in a position that is a lot better than we started. We have more money on hand, we have a funded account, and we have more on the personal account. So if we do this again next month, everything's great. Now let's try that mushroom. Oh, that's poisonous. I'm just kidding. It's all right. Market crashed again really hard. I'm down $600 today. Tried to take the long on a very safe place. The level was not respected in the slightest. We had a 4 hour close that was super bearish, so I am now short. I'm concerned it's just gonna rally back up and I'm down $200 on this short. The funded account is blown. When you lose 3 days in a row, you blow the account. I think I need to close this trade out and take another loss. Just terrible day. Down $700. The market was doing very well, and that's why we were able to lock in. It was like 16% at our max, which would have been incredible to close that out at for the month. Cheers, espresso. I feel like I just failed just because of one day, despite doing exactly what I challenged myself to do. I'm surviving off the land. I made 5% in the month. I got one prop from payout. These are the 3 exact things I told myself at the very start, yet I still feel like a failure. That's the crazy thing about trading is I've done this for so many years, and every single time something like this happens, you know, it just shocks me. Just worked for 3 weeks only to give away 50% of my income in 15 minutes. I guess that's taxes. I guess that's the same as taxes, isn't it? Just worked for a month, only getting 50% away to the government. Oh man. Oh, I'm really sad though. This is a really bad day. This is a really bad, like, it's not, like, it's just mentally getting me. It's really starting to get to me again, and the highs and lows of this challenger. It's so extreme. Like, this is incredibly difficult. The mental game here is, like, I feel so broken right now, and then having to deal with other things, having to deal with personal life things as well. You know, being fucking hungry the whole time. I'm thinking about stopping this challenge. I need to figure out if I continue doing this, because it's just gonna get colder. It's gonna get more stressful. See you guys next week.